All right, here is the 2001 BMW E38 740i M Sport package, short wheelbase car. Full walk around here. There are a couple door dings around here. See if you can find them. Couple on top there. Along this door. Brand new Michelin PSAS 4. Brand new front brakes and pads and rotors. And looking, she's a little bit dirty. Small ding in this back quarter. Nothing a PDR, and a nice polish can't save. She does need to be cleaned. Electric gate. Electric gate. All original tools in the kit in the back. Door panels. Sport seats. Leather interior. No sag in the headliner whatsoever. All the rear sunshades, perfect condition. No holes, no tears, nothing. Driver's seat, great condition. No rips, no tears. Steering wheel, excellent. Factory navigation. Closes like a charm. Drives like a charm. Super comfy. Pop the hood here. Second. There we go. Legendary engine. BMW. Engine bay, VIN number, Cosmo Schwartz, VIN number, all original. You can see water pump, thermostat, all that stuff has been taken care of. Excellent condition. Door panels, all in excellent condition. 93 original, 1,000 kilometers. All power seat functions function. Common problem. Pixel display starting to go off. Factory navigation. Very nice. Wood interior. Perfect condition, no cracks, nothing. Glove box handle is broken. I have one on order. Coming in soon and will be repaired and fixed. Sunroof is in excellent working condition. Sun visors. Yep, everything. All right. Back seats. No sag in the headliner at all. Excellent condition. No holes, no rips, no tears. Heated rear seats. AC blows air ice cold. Closes. Door closes. Excellent. VIN number here. Very nice. No accidents, all factory original paint. Give me a call or text. Set up a viewing. There we go.